Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impact game in Insufficient storage space. Please ensure sufficient space and try again. Code 9907. If you have facing this problem, you need this, watch this video and solve your problem. So how can fix this problem? Firstly, go back home screen. So see, after then go back home screen and go on your mobile settings. Go on your mobile settings, type on search bar and search as storage, storage storage. This is search as storage and tap on storage. Tap on storage, here you see clear storage. So after then clear storage, see, so please wait and clear all. So see clear all and back, again back, and remove this options, and here you see scroll down and click on app management. If you have using iPhone, so go on your iPhone storage and search as Genshin impact and offload your Genshin impact game. Also, if you have using Android mobile, so just click on app management or app application, and so just wait. You see loading and scroll down and search it Genshin impact game. You see Genshin impact, so just enter into the Genshin impact game and click on storage usage. Click on storage usage and type on clear data. Tap on clear get data and back. Oh, see permission, so just click on permissions and enable the permission camera storage, and your problem 100% solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.